step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
You gonna say something to the camera?
Hello.
What else you gonna say? You gonna tell them your name?
My name is Kennedy. Oh.
Okay, so it's a surprise, right? Okay. She's out on spring break. So we're about to have a little day out. Let me see. Okay. So I'm about to get ready and curl my hair so we can go ahead and get on out the door. Yeah, haven't really decided on what we're gonna do, where we're gonna go. I mean, I know what we're gonna do, but as far as like food, I'm undecided. So I would let you all watch me curl my hair. Unfortunately, my tripod is in the car, so yeah, I'm just gonna see you guys when we get out. Streets ready. Scent of the day from TJ Maxx. Take the top off, please. Top.
She's gonna spray it. I've never smelled something.
Okay.
We both smell like sweet cookies.
Okay guys, so we have finally got out the house. Kenny, cut it down. We done made it out of the house, so I'm about to go ahead and hit her with her little surprise or whatever. And yeah, I had to give me something to eat, or us something to eat until later. And we all know the chicken tenders from the gas station be fire.
I feel like we're on that roller coaster again.
So where do you think we're going? Party Safari or
Urban Air?
Urban Air.
Urban Air.
I gotta run into a store right quick before we decide.
I wanna go to Urban Air.
Why you wanna go to Urban Air so bad? You don't like Party Safari?
I do, it just don't have a zip line.
Oh.
And when you get on the zip line, I feel like you just gotta sit down.
Put your phone down.
But you stand.
Oh, okay.
We used to go to this seafood place, but never go to that one.
Yeah.
Cause that tastes better. But why you don't like that one?
Like which one? I mean, I just don't care for these sausages, I guess.
I don't. It's just because one time they had forgot our sausage.
Okay, so I've decided we are going to Urban Air. We're just trying to get situated. We made it or whatever. My phone.
Your phone is.
Let me fix my hair.
That's where I'm going. Urban Air. Is it Bridget? Today.
Gotta get in the camera. Look. Made it. Are you excited?
And you gonna jump with me.
No, I'm not.
Your curls must gonna be down a little bit.
You gotta hold on. You gotta sign up. I'm doing this hood. Come stand right here and pose. Turn around. Oh, they gotta walk back. Now, what was it that you were talking about?
It was right here. It was right here.
Hold on, let me look at something right
And I got some else that I wanted to get. That's this. Yeah, I saw this. Wait. Hello. Show me this. Please, this is the last one. I promise. This is the last one. I'm not getting no more. All I said. What did I see? You guys need to smaller.
Girl, please. You gotta read the flavor to see which one you want to get. Okay, hold on.
So this is what we have.
Go ahead and stick it up there, Mama. And then the hand sanitizer and this perfume will go on one.
Where my lip balm? Is it in your bag?
Hold it.
Okay, get this back.
Just email. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, guys, so I told her that spring break would be about trying new things. So this will be her first time going to Chipotle. Are you excited?
Yes.
Go to Chipotle, we're gonna dine in. Or do you think we should do a car mukbang?
Dine in.
Okay, so we're gonna dine in. We're gonna bring you guys with us so we can, you know, do our little mukbang or whatever.
Okay.
And yeah, let's go.
The drive-thru.
It's the digital pickup. Oh, it's so busy. With chicken. light corn.
Light corn?
Yes. A little red salsa.
A little bit?
Yes, with queso cheese.
You want queso on it?
I'm not trying.
Why not?
And cheese?
Just a little. Whoa. You want to sit out here or what?
Yes, I want to
Get your food.
And a chicken sandwich.
It better be good.
It's some. Let me try one chip because I want to go over there. Y'all can see what she got.
It looks so good.
Nuggets.
Yes, it do.
So that's why I ran. But I told my mama that I want to try chipotle tomorrow. Okay, stop. I might get dirty rice tomorrow. I'm gonna eat some white rice. And how did that chicken taste? Is it regular? Okay.
Making a mess.
Trying to shovel. There you go. But the chip is so salty.
It's kind of sweet today. Tearing it up, tearing it up. So I know it's been a few days since I have vlogged or whatever, but we really haven't been doing much. We've been in the house because it's been raining. I did do my daughter's hair this morning. I dropped her off with her dad, so she's gone to Louisiana, and today is Saturday, so I'm going to be meeting up with my cousin and their family. We're gonna go out to eat. Undecided on where they have decided to go as of right now. I did like go and find me a graphic shirt to like go with some black jeans and some Jordan 1s that I had already. So yeah, basically now I'm just about to start getting ready because they have to drive here and it's like an hour and some change for them to get from where they live to where I live because we're gonna eat here. So you guys are basically just gonna see me vibing out, doing my hair. I don't think I'm gonna do any makeup. I might just, you know, fill my brows in and call it a day. Throw a little mascara on because baby, listen, want to be cute but want to be simple because I am dressing down, but I still want to give, you know, a little that girl. But anyways, let's get to it. Ever someone you she's let me run money like I'm ballin', baby. Bills, take it, bills, bills. Please, I'm about to see them. Ask if I be. What the fuck is that? Working with no average bitch. I said addicts. So let me brush my little teeth. I'm gonna go back in like once I take it all down, once I get dressed, and just touch it up because baby, I already know something's gonna fall. I already know it. Okay, teeth brush. I don't know what I did with my e.l.f. lip balm. Hopefully it's in the car somewhere and I can find it. Currently $228. So let me show y'all what I'm finna wear. I'm gonna wear this shirt that I got from PacSun, these leather pants, and then I'm gonna pair with these, and hopefully I can get some cute pictures. You know, you can't be going nowhere ashy because I need some socks, white socks. I bought so many pairs, and it just amazes me how I'm always losing. Like, it's crazy. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the black leather pants. Come on now, zipper. I know good and well I can zip these pants up. Let me pull them up a little more. Squeeze that booty in. With this, popping already. Okay, I'm just gonna still put these on so y'all can see the full view, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get me some socks so I can take my pictures.
I'm crying. It's good. Now put your foot. She's so small, y'all.
So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this vlog, or this week's vlog. I was super excited to do a lot of things with my daughter for spring break. Even though we didn't travel, I still tried to find different fun things that she could do. Paris, get out of my closet. And you know, it was a success. She got to do something that she wanted to do. We went out to eat, had a great time, and this week has just been fun. Tomorrow we are back to regular schedule. This week it's gonna be a semi-maintenance vlog, and you guys will get to go to the warehouse with me, or the unit, to see my new workspace and watch me as I prepare for this week's pop-up shop. I haven't done a pop-up shop in a while, or since I hosted my own about 2 years ago, a year or two ago. And I'm excited, and I'm excited to bring you guys with me to watch me work and to just watch me push my brand out there. But before we end this video, I want to make sure that if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for all of your love and your support. I always want to tell you all that your love does not go unnoticed, and I will see you guys in the upcoming vlog.